Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me.
Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Haley and I'm so happy that you clicked on today's video. Today we are going to be spring cleaning my bathroom, and it was very disgusting. I'm deep cleaning spaces that I don't normally clean on a regular basis, and yeah, we're gonna get into all of that here in just a second. That is really gross and disgusting. We have a bunch of minerals in our water, and so it just makes everything kind of orange. And our landlord always runs a trough, his well, to fill up his trough for his horses, and whenever he starts to do that, it gets really bad. And then also when our sprinklers run in the summertime, it just is using a lot more water, and so it picks up more of the minerals. It's like everyone around us has this type of water. I don't really know what it is, but it gets really gross. So today we're going to be kind of cleaning that, and I'll kind of talk about it as we go through how I'm going to do it. But I first just wanted to tidy up the counters. We're going to get into cleaning this toilet. I wanted to do this while Waverly was napping, so that way I didn't have her walking in as I was in this project. And one thing that is terrible with this water is that it causes their basically the bowl of the sink to just always be dirty. So hopefully me cleaning it the way I did helps it, but I am going to actually have to have my husband's help in this.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no.
You see that? Disgusting. So now I don't know what to do, because now it's worse than what it started with. But maybe it just needs to get flushed out a few times, and it would just take a while. I don't know, I guess I'll see. I feel like now, inside the, I don't know what you call that, the water container area, it's not as bad. So maybe if I can just get the water flushed. I know there's still some gross stuff at the very bottom, but it was so dirty I couldn't see. So I need to get it, cleared so I can actually see. And I know that I'm going to do this. And then our landlord is going to start using the water trough. He's going to fill up his water trough using his well. And our water's going to get terrible again because of how it works. So I'll see what I can get done. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean the toilet the best I can. I'm going to get one of those bleach things, and maybe when my husband's home, he's more, does that kind of stuff. He can help me get it clean the rest of the week. Because I want it I can't get all of the water out, it stops flushing. And I feel like I need all of the water out to get it completely cleaned. So we're going to see what I can do, but for now, I think I'm just going to really try to deep clean the inside of the bowl, because it's really gross just because the water has gotten so nasty. But it's I think just our rest of our water's fine. I think it's just because whenever he has had the horse trough going through the well, it made it so then water sits in there because it doesn't fully drain all the time. So it's just slowly gotten worse, and so I think we'll see. I might be doing a ton of work and it's gonna get disgusting again, but at least for a couple days it'll stay clean, and then like I can hopefully have my husband help me either when he gets home or like a different day sometime soon. Because oh my gosh, I'm kind of getting grossed out too, but I know for sure I don't want to be in the middle of this when Waverly wakes up, because that's just disaster. I'm dealing with bleach today, so yeah, let's just try to get this as best I can clean.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
So now that I got the inside of the toilet cleaned, we'll tackle the outside of that here in just a second. But I wanted to get the top walls of the tub all cleaned. I wanted to clean like the shower curtain area. That gets dusty. I wanted to just clean the walls that has this little cabinet right here, get that all like dusted and cleaned. For the most part, like certain areas of my bathroom weren't too dirty because I had just like redecorated in here, so a lot of the spaces I had like cleaned up before that, but there was definitely a few spaces that needed cleaned, as you can tell. I did clean our fan, but I wasn't able to show that. I didn't show the right angle, so I did dust that, but I didn't show it. But there definitely has been some places lately in my house that I've kind of neglected and like let go, and that's normally not like me at all, but life's just been crazy and busy, and there's just a lot going on that's made it so it's just happened. And I think that's what happens with everyone, and it's okay. Life happens. I'm getting it cleaned up, and now I can be better and clean it better. And it is slightly, well, not slightly, it really is embarrassing, the like way that some stuff has been left, and that's totally not like me at all. I am normally the type of person that keeps a very clean house because I don't like mess. I don't like any of that. I like a clean house, and I usually stay on top of it, but it's just been really hard to lately. But I needed to also, I think I showed a before clip, but our what is it called? Our shower head, you had also kind of seen, got some of that like buildup on it, and I just cleaned it off. It takes like 2 seconds, and every time that we're in the shower, me and Trajan, we always think about it, but like then we get out and we're starting to get ready for the day, and then I just don't remember when I'm cleaning the tub. I'll just like really focus on the bottom part since we're giving Waverly baths all the time. So I need to do better about adding that into like a monthly rotation, and then it wouldn't get that bad. But so embarrassing. So you guys are just getting a lot of real life cleaning motivation and just how it is sometimes, but it is what it is. I'm just here to show you that it's okay if you end up getting a mess like this, and yeah, it's just okay.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me?
I'm just going ahead and cleaning this back wall, and then we'll move on into the vanity section. Dust the light, dust the walls on the side of it, clean the mirror, clean the vanity, all that kind of stuff.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't do mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, oh. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey.
Okay, now that I have the top of the vanity all clean, we're going to move down here, and I didn't go through any of the drawers or like the tubs today. I had actually just gone through those like the day before. So what I'm doing here is just straightening everything up and then wiping down all of the like the shelf and then the like top drawers and just calling it good. And then we're going to clean the inside of the door too. And I totally thought I was filming me sweeping, but I didn't. So you're going to see me mop and then clean the outside of the door.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you cry. start running, but how am I supposed to run when I'm falling? I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble.
I'm just going to finish mopping these floors. We're going to clean the outside of this door, put everything back, and then that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and hanging out with me. I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation and you were able to clean along with me or whatever it is. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more cleaning motivation, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.
To recall what